Okay, can you open up the card? And Daddy can read who it's from.
Where it's from?
Hope you're blown away by your birthday. Love, Grandma and Grandpa.
That's what it says.
Okay.
Yes. Can you see the doggy's ears moving?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna open the present now?
I'm going to open that. This present.
Oh, wow.
What is it?
It's a cash register.
We'll have to open it and put the batteries in.
Okay.
Can you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma and Papa.